Meneses, open court. Here's the aerial Voyager. Yes!
Wait, Johnny, it's not good away. Yes! Yun, ang patented Johnny Abarientos move.
Crossover dribble.
Johnny, no ha? Ito kahit mga Amerikano.
Siegel. Whoa! That is a no-fear slam. Face your fears. Live your dreams. What a move by Siegel. Asaytono looks up at the clock. 3 seconds it reads. 3-point shot. Patay!
Big shot for Nelson. It's a higher percentage shot than the off-balance shot.
Oh, what a move! Johnny Abarientos on the baseline. And Johnny Abarientos continues to fly. The flying A with a total of 7 points, and Alaska on top by 5. So this is a big lineup. Lusot si Meneses. Oh, reverse.
Down low. Eto na si Meneses. He's not being double teamed and he's going to get away with another 2 points.
Patay na.
Kung hindi mo i-double team ito si Berhel Meneses, still away from the basket. Kanyang medyo malayo pa siya.
Head and shoulder fake, and he is gone. Wow.
Still ng Barangay Ginebra na.
Oh, he's away!
Oh, yes!
Oh, yes, sir! Woo! His head and shoulder fake. Lusot na ako. Salamat sa iyo, Berhel Meneses, giving Ginebra a 10-point lead. Tolia Maras, he's ahead. Oh, sumakay ka pa. Umangat si Maras.
Si Eugene Gilban iikot. Binitawan ng bola.
Anong klaseng tira yun? Pumasok!
Bobby Park. Si Will Caro, tumatawag.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God! Ang layo ng talon ni Bobby Park.
Baseline.
Ang Jesse J. Sanchez ng dalawa. Oh! What a shot! What a shot!
Yan ang ating play of the day.
Ay sus, Mariano. Napakaganda nun.
Servitor layup. Saturday, pwede ka na ni Alvarez. Oh, yes! Pero natin that play. Ano yun? Eto, panoorin nga muna natin. Napitawan ang bola. And Sonny Jaworski defies Father Time. Eto, team ng Sankis kung sino man may tangan ng bola. And Boyvich, inikot ang bola sa kaliwa.
Lumusot kay Bobby Parks. Alam mo, mahusay po si Parks even sa depensa.
Pero doon, hindi pinakita ni Boyvich.
Binobulabog.
Agawad. Nagkagulo na.
Tinira niya. Pumasok! Aba naman! Nakahiga, nakaupo sa sahig. He kept on hustling. Sabi niya, tinitira ko to. Suwak na suwak. Jun Limpon, 11 points. Bato, narito si Dorembe. Sinabayan, ginamit ang kaliwa. What a move!
What a finish para dito kay Ken. 5 seconds on the shot clock for Pure Foods. Pumihit si Alvin! Hey! Pumasok! Pero naman si Alvin Patrimonio, slow post. There's the double team. Hey! Pumasok na yung kanyang desperation attempt. Nakakuha pa ng foul and so is a 3-point play opportunity.
Tingnan natin yung expression sa mukha ni Alvin Patrimonio, no? This is what we were talking about. You expect Alvin Patrimonio to go strong to the hoop at the low post.
Yes, Marlo. Marlo Aquino powering his way in! Yun ang tinatawag ni Marlo Aquino. Tingnan mo yung takbo yung bumabantay Dr. J. Actually, 4 yan. Yung isa nag-abang na lang.
Two missed shots. And
Nolly Locsin.
slam off the offensive rebound.
Ang laking tira ni Nolly Locsin off the 2 misses by Marlo Aquino. Still being hounded by free throw. Whoa!
Natatawa na. Gayoso. Tumaran will go all the way top. Back! Vincizon. Back!
Watch this block, Dr. J. Ang layong inabol ni Vincizon. Putataka. Really giving his all here. Rents the
Brilliant move. Nolly Locsin. Well, reverse layup. Big drive by Nolly Locsin.
Ito panurin natin. Ito yung P-hit and the reverse layup by Nolly the Tank.
Frankie Lynn is well aware of that. Here's one. Right there and then, immediately. He waited for Capacio to sit down on the part of the coaching staff of San Miguel, and when he did, that's when he brought in quickly Sambor. And Sambor Lim had the right thing in his mind minutes to go. Capacio is lost in the shuffle. Lim goes up. It goes! His act is now being... You know that we've always known that you've loved literature as we watch the flight of Sambor. He's there. He squeezes in. And Rosella is called for the foul. You know, it's maybe sounding too simplistic. It's almost like step yes, step no.
Ito, nakakuha ng rebound si Samboy Lim. Samboy, tuloy. Hey, pwede naman, 15 puntos na po. Ang ginagawa, si Samboy Lim.
Binigay kay Asaytono! Whoa! Oh, my goodness!
May contest pa!
Ikaw na ang
Well, 5 out of 8 from the field, that's not a bad percentage for him.
Whoop! Another one!
Ano yan? Baseline reversal at slam!
Wow! Nilaksak ni Victor Pato sa harapan ni Andy Siegel. Sabi niya, ito naman ang Filipino style. Dito sa...
Goal ng 39, halos 39%. Ng kanilang mga in your face. Nakirada ni Julie Port. Anthony Reyes, ito naman yung snap. He was on high ground to Marlo Aquino for the flat. That was a great play.
And he's on the penetration from the defense too. Inabot na lang kay Marlo Aquino for
Umangat, tumaktak, may foul pa si Velasco! At si Marlo Aquino, tinignan pa! Si Nick Velasco, sasabay siya para ha? Tapos na dinaktak yung bola. Fourth foul ni Velasco, tignan natin yung salampak. Ayos na ayos yan!
Demonyo sa loob ni Cordillera. Uy! Basket count! Yes! Nag-isip pa si Alvin Patrimonio. Actually, ano ba? Titira ko ba ito?
May narinig na Champito. May narinig na Champito eh.
Dumadaan.
Behind the back. Goes underneath.
Yes.
Up si Daisy.
Nakitahan sila ni Locsin.
Panoorin muna natin ito, Dr. J. Up si Daisy. Dixie Goose.
Yes.
Rado si Ferhel Meneses dito. Whoa! Betsy Paras. May kasama pang foul.
In your faces yun. Ang daming sumalubong sa kanya. Baka Saitona nakakuha ng bola. Anong tira yun?
By Nelson Saitona against Jumlipot. First a foul.
Anong tira yun ni Nelson Saitona?
Dito. Wow! Bong Alvarez with the shot block. Save ni Olsen Rosella. Narito si Alvarez. Way! Chinolins ni Bong Alvarez ang bola. Maliloksin. Blinangka ni Alvarez. Na-save nung kasama niya. Si Alvarez tumatakbo na and all the way. Tuloy-tuloy na yan.
While trying to move in.
Is blocked! Ano naman ang Marlo Aquino? Dito, ito yung una. Masang-masa ni Marlo. Huling-huli ka.
Block number 1.
Ito pa isa.
Ito, block number 2 coming from Marlo Aquino.
Struggled in game 5 with only 3 points, but he will come back in a big way today, and he has been ballistic so far in this ball game. Inside play, Ildefonso. Danny Ildefonso with his 12th point to lead all Beermen in scoring.
Danny Alaska. 18-point lead back for Alaska. Biggest was the 20.
Mas 17 puntos na si Kenneth Durante. Samantala, Ildefonso is keeping them. From the last time we were tied at 43, hindi na nakascore ang San Miguel. Saitona nakakita ng konting puwang, nilusob ang depensa, and what a move from the ball. Pasa niya kay Barrientos, 3 seconds to shoot. Tumira sila! What a shot!